Well, hello there. God, I love this car. But we're not working on you today. We're working on this hunk of shit. What a piece of crap. But I guess for 200 bucks, what are you going to do, right? It's pretty rough. John, you've had this car for a day and it's already a disgusting mess.
I was fixing stuff. And this is the radiator fan. Fan, singular. Ryan and I fixed this yesterday.
Is it on?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it is.
Because they don't work. Because I think the coolant temperature sensor must kick on the fans.
Yeah. Yeah, you got a bad temperature sensor, and I bet that's the whole problem.
The funny thing is there's two radiator fans.
And only one works?
Yeah, we put 12 volts straight to the other one. It didn't move at all. So that one's dead.
All right.
And that's what the switch was wired up to when we got it.
Oh, the dead fan?
The dead fan.
Gotcha.
So now that we have it on the good fan.
Yeah, this thing is a hunk of crap.
Look at it.
How much did you pay for it?
$200.
Yeah.
200 smackaroonies, 200 clams, 200 dollar store items. That's actually, that makes it seem like a lot of money.
$200 for a car that runs and drives is pretty good.
Didn't run nor drive when I bought it. That's why it was so cheap. And the ECU is not very happy. It says the coolant temperature sensor is bad.
Which is what we're going to do right now.
$22 part. I mean, it's 10% the cost of the car.
Okay, when you put it that way. What's
Dude, that's my radiator fan mock-up. See this? This wire here? This goes all the way around under the dash. And in here, we've got...
And it works fans without switched power.
It's hardwired to the battery.
Right. Like you do.
Just don't leave it on.
Okay, cool. Well, should we do this temperature sensor?
Dude, absolutely. It's be nice and cool after our morning coffee run. It's right there, I think. Right there under that dizzy. Not that one, but that one back there.
No, yeah, it looks a lot like it. Good to go.
Give it the old spinny spin, and that's how you take bolts out, right?
Yeah.
Lefty loosey, righty breaky.
Yeah. Where's the new one? The new.
Oh, it's in the back seat. Yep. There it is. In the previous video, Ryan spilled all of my sockets absolutely everywhere, and I haven't fixed it yet.
Did he?
Yeah.
Which will already have been posted, but it is a mess.
3/4, which is 19, which is what I said.
All right. This is probably the roughest car I've seen any of my actual friends buy.
$200, baby.
No, you can't argue with the price.
Look at it. This closed.
Hey, you know what? This panel, the gas flap, that's probably 150 bucks, right?
That was it. I think we turn the car on now and see if it's happy.
Did you plug it in?
Yes.
Sounds happy. Well, it doesn't sound worse.
I mean, that's good. You know what we have to do to sell it, though, right?
What?
We have to get the fan to work. Look, I don't know if it works or not, but it's just hanging out down here. Someone took the bolts out of it, and it's literally just... And the power's unhooked.
You maybe plug the power.
But the bolts for it are... I have no idea where. I'm curious as to why they think it wasn't working. Maybe we should put my voltmeter in here and see if it gets voltage when we turn the fan on?
Let's find out.
Let's do that.
Your truck gives me anxiety.
I don't actually know if that plug down there is the plug for the fan. And I haven't done any research or looked at anything other than just look down there and see the fan is loose. God, I need to get my life in order.
You know what boggles my mind is you use these tools daily.
Every day. That's why they're such a mess. If I didn't use them all the time, they'd be nice and neat and organized.
Is that why my multimeter is nice and neat and organized?
Because you only use it once in a blue moon.
Yeah. Ever since I bought the Prelude, I use it more often.
Power onto the car, fan on. Look at that. You got 9 volts on low.
Uh-huh.
And that's it.
Huh.
The fan plug is on the wrong goddamn side of this thing. Try it again. It's trying. It's not very happy because it's not very square in there.
Yeah.
It's trying.
Well,
Feet in. Go backwards. Oh, yeah. Well, let me tell you what, someone really fucked us when they took that back screw out.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's not going back in with it sitting like that. How in the hell did they even manage? That's like Tweaker 101 right there. Okay, so when in doubt, consult the internet.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, what if they say that pulling the fan is a 17-hour ordeal and the dash has to come out?
I don't know. I have no idea. Let's check the internet.
I just ran out of motivation.
Oh, or let's not.
Do you want to put a fuel filter in a greasy diesel instead?
Let's do that.
Let's do that.
Let's do that.